cleaning up the boat for the season this year. Last year I attempted to clean some, and you can see where I worked really hard, but it's just streaky where nothing seemed to work, and I paid for some expensive cleansers. So this year we decided to research off YouTube. So on YouTube, one guy said use Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Somebody else said mix it with hydrogen peroxide. Somebody else said use a magic eraser. So we've decided to put it all together and use all of it. So we've got the Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaner. We have leftover hydrogen peroxide from washing dogs with skunk issues, and the Equate brand of the magic eraser. Okay, so we did about a half a cup, or 2 or 3 cups of water, about a half a cup of peroxide, and about...
I just squirted each time on the...
Then you squirt the cleanser onto the magic eraser. So let's see what happens. Got my gloves on. All right. Okay. We were worried about getting it on the metal or it being caustic and hurting something, so we decided to rinse immediately. And rinsing immediately, you can see where the line where I stopped at. I thought this boat was actually almond colored. I didn't know it was that white color. So I'm gonna keep going. And that took almost no effort. It didn't take a lot of scrubbing or a lot of effort.
Good luck.
Good luck. Be careful using cheap gloves because it turned my wrist red here. Irritated me just a little. So you might ought to invest in a little nicer gloves than these.